Hi everyone, all of my SAT prep classes. I hope everybody is doing well, staying healthy, and happy and sane during this quarantine that we have going on. I just wanted to come to you this morning and talk to you about what I've been talking on my Zoom calls about today. Just in case you weren't able to make it, I wanted to make sure that you had all of the information and that it was all available to you and that there weren't any questions. So right now, you should be able to see my screen, which is the SAT Prep Guidelines for Remote Learning on Schoology. I guess let me go back real quick so you can just see where that is. So when you open up Schoology, first you'll see the announcement. This is just the guidelines for doing Zoom calls. So if you were on with me this morning, then we went over this, but not, you're okay. Then I also have down here, I have links. So I have a link to Khan Academy, which is where you've been working all school year. And then these are the guidelines for remote learning, which brings up this page. All right, so real quickly, I just want to go through this with you. First of all, it says students had until Friday, May 8th to review third marking period grades and submit any missing modules on Khan Academy. That's already passed. eSchool is up to date with those grades. There were several of you that did turn in modules over the past week, and I did end up grading them and putting them in. So you can check your third marking period grades. Those are accurate and up to date. Remember, it is a pass-fail course, so if you're above a 65, then you passed for the third marking period. I'm holding Zoom meetings today, Monday, May 11th, for my odd day classes, and I'll be holding a Zoom class tomorrow, Tuesday, oh, that should say May 12th, for my even day class. So the Zoom meeting was just to talk about the new plan and just kind of go over some things and touch base and make sure everybody is doing good. So it was not required. You did not have to be there. But it was just kind of a great way to hear live updates and ask me questions and just to kind of touch base and see how everybody's doing. If for some reason you weren't able to get on Zoom or you're having issues with technology, then please reach out to me. My email is listed here, all right, kristen.wright@sussexvt.k12.de.us, or you can send me a message on Schoology. Even though it says by Monday, May 11th, that's if you weren't able to get on for Zoom. But you can send me a message or an email anytime. So if you're having questions or concerns, Khan Academy is not working, you don't know your password, reach out to me, okay? I can help you. So like it says, the Zoom sessions are not mandatory, just a great way to hear live updates. I'm creating videos that can be viewed in lieu of the Zoom meeting, like this one. I am going to tell you, though, that because this SAT prep class is an online class, I'm not even planning on holding daily or even weekly Zoom meetings. The one that I held here Monday morning, May 11th, and then the one, this is supposed to be Tuesday, May 12th. That's going to be it for me as far as Zoom meetings with you guys. I don't teach this content. This is all an independent study, self-paced course, as you guys know. So I'm planning on kind of keeping it that way. However, I am available to you. You're not completely on your own. So if you're having issues, reach out to me. I also will Zoom with you during your scheduled class time or in the afternoons between 12:15 and 3:15. Anytime between now and June 12th, our last day of school, if you need help. Those Zoom meetings, though, with me are by appointment only. So make an appointment with me, email me, send me a message on Schoology, let me know you're having issues, you would like to meet, and I'll respond with a confirmation. We'll jump on Zoom together and we'll sort out what the issue is. All right. Last thing right here is just going to be the guidelines for the fourth marking period, what's expected. And this grading scale was outlined by administration for our school district. So I kind of worked with what we were doing in class to kind of make it work for us. So you'll have to do at least one module per week in Khan Academy with passing the timed mini test with at least a 50%. and that starts again Monday, May 11th. So please remember that a module consists of 3 practice modules plus 1 timed mini section, again passing that at 50%, in order to get credit for it. So you will continue to complete 1 module per week for a minimum of 5 modules for the 4th marking period. If you do that, here's how the grade is going to break down. If you do all 5 modules, pass them all with at least a 50%, then you will end up with 100% for the 4th marking period. 4 out of 5 modules is a 95, 3 out of 5 modules is an 85, 2 out of 5 modules is a 75%, 1 out of 5 modules is a 65%, and if you don't do any modules, you'll end up with a 55% for the 4th marking period. So that's pretty much it. Down here below, this outlines, the Zoom calls that I was holding, but again, most of these will probably have expired by the time you've seen this video. Only other thing that I discussed during the Zoom call was that once you log into Khan Academy and you start doing your work, you don't need to screenshot anything and email it to me. I can go into Khan Academy. I can see the work that you're doing. I can see your grades. If you don't feel confident with that, then feel free, take a screenshot and email it to me and I'll respond that I got it. But I'll be going on Khan Academy periodically and checking to see that you're doing work. Also, don't be surprised if I haven't seen anybody logging into Khan Academy or I haven't seen any recent activity. You will be getting a message from me. I'll be reaching out to you, making sure that, hey, are you having trouble with computer, internet issues, whatever, making sure that you're logging in and getting your work done. So I can see the last time you logged in, I can see how much time you spent on Khan Academy. So make sure that you are logging in there and getting your work done. I think that's it for me. If I left anything out, again, make sure you reach out to me. I'm here for you, whatever you need. And good luck with the rest of the 4th marking period. I do miss you guys. And I really hope to see you guys soon, hopefully next fall. All right, take care. Bye.